Kundalini says, what's your contribution in my growth? Today's topic is going to shift you, and that is why I'm creating this bold topic to make you know about what Kundalini thinks, what this energy wants. Most of you who are going through Kundalini Awakening, especially at the end of the journey or just completed the journey of Kundalini reaching the crown chakra, know that there is lot of resistance and lot of obstacles and lot of poking coming from your family members, your friends, your so-called matrix people. They keep on asking you to share a part of your growth in their life. And this Kundalini, and at this point, Kundalini asks them, what is your contribution in my growth? Kundalini is individual and Kundalini is primordial energy which has traveled its own path through different stages of evolution, and through these different stages of evolution she has made sure that she evolves from its limited self. She wants you to be like a king, the way I am here sitting. This kingly stature Kundalini wants, and when you reach this kingly stature, the people in your so-called life ask you to share a part of your growth. Now, Kundalini doesn't want to share a part of this growth to them, because when you had been suffering the highest, they were not there. They were not there. They were busy in their own world. They were busy in their own way of judging you. They were busy in distrusting you. And Kundalini doesn't want them to be a part of your success. Right now, your guru, yes, I'm talking to all the students out there in the world for whom I am the only hope, for whom I am the only path, for whom I am the only ray of light. Your guru is walking the path of the unknown, and nobody has contributed in my growth, in my success, in my power from the matrix, and that is why I have left them, I have abandoned them. And that is what you need to do with your people. You need to abandon them. You need to throw them away from your energy field. I am somewhere here in Nepal, living my life freely, independently. I am feeling powerful because the way I am traveling with my team is empowering. We are going to create a roadmap for you who are suffering. I am visiting the different places which are rich in AQI below 100. In fact, some of the places where the AQI is 0, I will be visiting there also, and I will be teaching you the path through which you can travel and through which you can increase the prana content in your body. This contribution which I am making, our team is making, we are investing in ourselves. Our time, money and energy, 100% we are investing our time, our energy and our money in our growth, in our life. And that is what you need to do. That is what you need to travel the unknown path. You need to go to the unknown the way I am traveling and take the leap into the unknown. This kind of unknown journey is possible only when you are with me. Look in front of you how I came to the top, and this is what Kundalini is ascending. Kundalini is ascending in you to reach to the top. She is reaching the top. Just imagine these as the 7 chakras, and here is somewhere crown chakra, third eye, throat chakra, heart chakra, solar plexus, sacral chakra and the root chakra. These 7 steps denote the 7 chakras of your existence. Now at the top Would you like to share this part of your contribution to other people where you have struggled to reach here? Here you are the king. Here you are the Masiha. Here you are the power. And Kundalini doesn't want you to share this power with anyone. Feel it completely. I'm actually feeling high, coming, and this your Kundalini wants you to do. Your Kundalini wants you to invest in your life. Your Kundalini wants you to grow in life. Your Kundalini wants you not to go to the root chakra, not to go to the lower levels and live the life of the mediocre. And these mediocre people, the toxic people in your life, they had done nothing in your life. You have done everything for your life. The Guru is doing everything for your life. And Guru is showing you the way towards individual life. The coming time, those individuals who will invest their time, money and energy in themselves 100% away from the matrix, I am carving out the path for them. I am creating the path for them. You will be living in the highest pranic areas, zones, places away from the city. The city is full of positive ions, the city is full of pollution and population. And their electromagnetic field, the construction, the energy radiating from the construction sucks away all the prana from your energy field. More about it you will come to know as you keep on watching my videos, where I will be sharing with you the other part of the pranic experience, where I will be in the forest or in a high energetic zone with high quantity of prana and negative ions. Now this place is an ancient site. This place has all the elements of 5 elements. I had gone to a place which is restricted for photography and videography. There it was 5 elements present. The earth, the stone structures, these are directly connected to the earth. When you walk on this earth, I had walked barefoot on the walk on these rocks and I felt that my energy is grounding. So I will be telling you which places you can visit and what to do in those places so that you can ground Kundalini energy. Now all these functions that I am telling you is not of the matrix. The matrix people don't know how to go ahead in life by investing in themselves. They only invest in matter. And maybe some of you have invested in matter so far. So I guide you that take away all the investment, withdraw all the investment from the matter, keep it in your bank account and invest in yourself in traveling to places which are rich in negative ions, which are rich in prana, which are rich in natural resources, and time to time take my guidance for your journey, because in this route there is no one except me who knows your inner GPS. I have the clairvoyant destiny reading power through which I know how your inner GPS performs, where she wants to go, where your Kundalini wants to go. She will not tell you directly, she will give you signals, but those signals you cannot calculate on your own or you cannot know on your own. Only I know how to read those signals. And once you get connected to me, when I connect to your hands, most of you may be feeling that I read your palms when I connect to you. So let me clarify you, I don't read palms, I am not a palm reader. I have the highest power of the universe to connect to your electromagnetic field and I read energies. So your hands have the access to your inner GPS. Your eyes have the complete evolutionary journey is stored in your eyes. And when you look at me directly, I read you from where you have come and where you are going to go. I have the access to your Kundalini. And many of you know that when you come in contact with me, your Kundalini starts giving you signals. It starts jerking, it starts shaking, it moves. And that is the power of me as a guru. Now, in this total journey, my contribution to your life is the highest and your contribution to your life is the highest. Where do the matrix people come in this entire journey? The main contributor of your progress is Kundalini herself. Kundalini does the journey and you have to give a lot of fuel to progress Kundalini, because Kundalini is a huge volume of electricity, cosmic electricity flowing in you from the universe, and that needs lots of prana as the fuel to process it. If you don't give Kundalini lots of prana and open space and the natural resources, it is going to create pressure on your nervous system, which causes neurosis. So this was a brief and most powerful guideline from me. Go inside, watch this video again and again, understand everything, and then take the next step. All right? So have a great day and bye-bye.